I have this delicious breakfast meal which I want to make for you to see and also learn. This is how to have the best toast bread. Remember, this channel brings to you the best food challenge you will always want to watch. It's entertaining and also educative. Now, after chopping your onions, your tomatoes, your scotch bonnet pepper, you do well to fry for some minutes. When you're frying, do well to put your eggs. After cracking your eggs, pour in the fry pan, put season the way you want it, season it. Then mixed first of all right? Very, very interesting. I know that you will like it. Then let me know where you are watching from. Very, very important. We go back to our socks to stir to see the reaction and how it's going. Then you pour your egg, mix together everything. All right, mix together everything. You can go in with any vegetable of your choice. You can choose to go with cabbage. You can choose to go with ugu leaf. All right, you can also choose to go with spinach. Anyone that you like. All right, now see how our food is becoming so interesting and so yummy. Listen, after eating this, you might not even take lunch. Trust me, the weight of this food, you might not take lunch because it's very heavy. It might look simple and soft, but it's very, very heavy. Now we proceed. Next we do, you carry after you fry your egg with your everything, mix everything together, put in the inside the bread, you close it. Now what I'm going to do now, we are going to toast. You can use butter, you can use vegetable oil, any one of your choice. All right, this is to help the bread not to get burnt. All right, now you put in a frying pan, do well to press well, but don't keep it one-sided for long. If not, it will get burnt. After you feel that the outside is dry, you flip. All right, you have seen how brownish it is now, right? You have seen how brownish it is. Very, very interesting. This thing you see here, anybody can afford it. It's not expensive, and there is no specific bread you must use, and you must not use all the ingredients which I have here in making my own. You can only choose to use only egg, onions, salt, pinch of salt only, without tomatoes and other sardine, geisha, those things. No, if you can't afford those things, just do well to do it this way. Now let me know what you think about this particular one. This is very, very interesting and yummy. I know you find this video helpful. At least it's entertaining and you also learn. Do well to check other videos below and in the description or wherever you understand it. All right,